Here's how you can make $10,000 a month from your laptop by working only 1 hour a day. Go over to YouTube, type in study music, and if you take a look and you just scroll through, you'll see that there are tons of people on these sites, so they are making a lot of money. So how can we do the same? I'll show you. Go over to Pexels, select videos, and type in Sky. You're gonna see a ton of different videos that you can select to use in this process. Next, head over to SnapMuse, type in ambient for your music, and you're gonna have a ton of different sounds that you can select for the ones that you want. So once you've found the music that you like, you're gonna merge it with the video that you like, and you're gonna get over to YouTube, upload that video, and then you can be like these guys with tons of views and making lots of money. Now, if you wanna know my favorite way to make money online, go to my bio, check out the link, watch that 14-minute video. It's gonna show you everything that you need to get started. You'll see normal people like you and me that are making $1,000 to $5,000 days. Go check it out.